Okay guys, this is for the 6th day of Christmas. Gonna run the random now. Time is 7:19 a.m. Eastern. We are live. Here's the list, guys. 65 entries. Clubhouse, we go 3 times. So we're gonna go 3 times here, guys. Good luck, everyone. 7:20 a.m. Eastern, first random. And 7:20 a.m. Eastern, second random. Third and final random, guys. 7:20 a.m. Eastern. Winner is Daniel Steinman. Not sure I have your address. I'll check. We've gone 3 times. 7:20 a.m. Eastern. Again, Daniel Steinman. You won day number 6. Let's update my list here. Done. Final time, 7:21 Eastern. Congratulations, Daniel, and thanks everyone.